Hello, this is Samantha from ReviewsJust4U, and I just got this electric salt and pepper grinder set. It takes 6 AAA batteries. 6 AAA batteries to run these 2 salt and pepper grinder sets. You could put some other spices in there that are larger amount that you can actually grind. But yeah, it comes with instructions on how the components are put together, and it shows you inside the instructions. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It takes a lot of batteries. It's 6 batteries per grinder. So yeah, it's a pretty unique item, actually. Pretty nice set. They are metal on the outside and plastic in the inside. But yeah, it's like really easy to use, and it actually lights up when you push it when it works. So you can see it's quite the invention, actually. Yeah, it works really well. Yeah, I didn't put any salt in this one. I wanted to show you actually how it works. So then I'm going to show you, that one has nothing in it, but I want to show you this one. I did put pepper in this one, so you can see exactly. So you can see how fine it actually grinds. So I took apart the pepper and salt. So I took apart the salt and pepper grinder. The lid comes off so you can replace the batteries. But there's all the batteries. They're located in the top of the unit. So you just put them in, and very easy instructions, very easy to use. And then basically you put your lid back on. It's like screws right on there. So it's pretty good. And then it should just lock, so you can hear it lock. So that's good. At the top here is the button to control the grinding and the light. So you just push the top like that, and it lights up. It lights up and it grinds the pepper through it. So what I did is I put peppercorn, actual peppercorn in there. So the peppercorn, the little balls inside, which is the peppercorn, grind up in the grinder. So yeah, it grinds up quite finely. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it so far. I just got it this week, but yeah, it grinds up quite nicely. Super impressed with the product. But yeah, be prepared to use 12 batteries, 6 for each actual pepper and for salt and pepper grinder. So you'll need 6 batteries. But overall, it's a pretty nice set. You're looking at about spending $30, give or take. I got this off Amazon.ca. So this has been quite a good investment. I really like it because I really like my pepper fines. So that's it works really well. So that's great. So for this one, yeah, this lights up. That's how it works. The light's really bright, so you're in a dark, having a romantic dinner or something, it'll light up your life, as they say. Anyways, yeah, it works really well. It turns good. The gears and everything inside seem to work well. So that's good. So the unit, the salt and pepper grinder, comes apart, so you can fill your salt or your pepper in the top of this. It's a pretty small compartment, so probably every couple weeks you have to fill it up. And then you have your batteries that go in at the top, and they all connect together. And you basically just follow the little parts that you just want to follow the little, match the little divots there. And it should lock in no problem. So that locks in. And then you just basically put your batteries in if you haven't done that already when you buy the unit. And then you just basically screw it on. And then voila, you're done. Yeah. So yeah, that's my review for the products for the salt and pepper grinder set. So I've never owned anything like this before, so it seems like a pretty cool product. Does not come with the batteries. I bought these at Home Depot, so that would, or your dollar store, whichever you decide you want to buy your batteries from. But yeah, it works really well. Grinds quite nicely. That's how fine it grinds. I'm pretty impressed with that. But yeah, pick your salt, pepper, whichever. Grinds it up. Works really well. Yeah, that's my review for the electric salt and pepper grinder set. I got this off Amazon.ca. Yeah, it's really nice product so far. I'm pretty happy with the quality. And yeah, we'll see how long the batteries last in the unit, and see how long the product and the quality will last me. So thanks for watching Reviews Just For You. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will be putting up more reviews very shortly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.